Hello friends, this is my CCNA training program video series, and in today's topic I'm going to discuss about layer 3 Cisco switch. Fine, in my last video I have shared some idea about layer 2 switch. Now layer 3. Layer 3, first of all, layer 3 means network layer of OSI reference model. And I have also created some videos on OSI reference model, and in that video I have given some explanation about network layer. Network layer is the third layer of OSI reference model, and it especially explains about IP addressing, routing, IP packet filtering, etc. Fine. So if L3 switch, if we are talking about L3 switch means network layer switch. In that case, this switch should have that kind of feature also. Okay, so let us see few important points about the layer 3 switch. Fine, just see here. First point of layer 3 switch is multiple Ethernet, fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, and 10G ports are available at layer 3 switch. Means speed, just to see this speed. This Ethernet means 10 Mbps speed, fast Ethernet means 100 Mbps speed, gigabit Ethernet 1000 Mbps, and 10G means 10G. Fine. This switch works on layer 3, means network. Means it will work on IP address. If it will work on IP address, in that case, we can configure different IP addresses at this switch. In layer 2 switch also we can configure IP address, but in layer 2, we configure IP address at a logical interface, that is interface VLAN 1. Fine. But in this switch, we can configure IP address at every port. Fine. Okay. Now, if we can configure IP address, means this switch can work on IP address. It means it has capability to connect different networks that are based on different subnet of IP address. Fine. Like, for example, one network is based on 192.168.1.0, second is 192.168.2.0, third one is 3.0, 4.0. These are different networks. These networks can be connected with the help of layer 3 switch. If this switch can establish connection between two or more different networks, it means it creates a routing table. My next point is routing table. It creates a routing table. And in routing table, it keeps information about the best route for different destinations. Okay, so means if you have to establish connection between two networks, one router should have knowledge about these two networks. In that case only, router can transfer data packet of one network to fine. Now, if we will talk about transmission, it works in full duplex mode, means one node can transmit data and receive data at the same time. This is similar to the layer 2 switch also. Fine, I have already given idea about it. It can connect to or more different network. Fine. If it can create a routing table, with the help of routing table, it can establish connection between two or more different networks. Then it can also filter data packets on the basis of IP address and services also. We will see all these things in practical when I will start configuring of such. Okay. And now filtering means if you have to control the data traffic in that case, you can do it with the help of layer 3 switch. Okay. Now, I have inserted an image of Cisco switch. It is 6503E switch. And see all these ports, fine. And you can see the name of Cisco switch here also, WSC6503. Okay. Uh, Physically, if you will see layer 2 switch, layer 3 switch, maybe there is a structure change, but ports are similar. So it is difficult for us to identify, to point that, okay, this one is the layer 2, this one is the layer 3. If you have to find out it, you will have to do some homework, some search. Okay, fine, I have 6503 switch. Then what type of switch is this? Okay. In this way, I have just discussed few important points about layer 3 switch. Now, I hope you will be able to answer what is different between layer 2 and layer 3 switch. Okay, fine. And in my next video, I will discuss about fiber switch. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.